Wow, this is so nice. And I'm not talking about the sunshine. I'm talking about being totally alone at the practice area. And the reason for that is that when people are watching me, I usually do stuff that I'm good at. So when I'm here alone, I can just train stuff that I need to train. And also I don't need to think about controlling my temper, which is quite important.
Are you listening? Damn. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
I have to admit it looks kind of stupid, but the result on video is quite cool. I think I broke my iPhone. The screen went loose when I dropped in the ground, so after 10 years of freestyle I can't really train without music. It gets too boring, so here it is, the trophy from 2010. I'm not sure if I like it, but it's unique at least. I think it's handmade from, I hope Red Bull paid them well. There is someone else that is a bit skeptical. Today I was in the basement and I picked up this really old hard drive. I know that it includes a lot of old footage from freestyle, so I thought it would be a funny idea to just show you guys some old unsealed. Okay, so this is from Arendal. I start with a triple and okay, some no touch and yeah, lens around the world. This crossover is supposed to be something else. And I finished with a no touch. It was quite okay. Yes, that was the old combo. Let me know what you think. Is this cool idea or is it just boring to watch these old clips? Leave a comment. And if you like this vlog, just thumbs up, subscribe, and remember tomorrow it's another tutorial. It's a cool trick that is coming tomorrow, so remember to watch. See you next time.